Okay, so the first video here is going to show you how to set up your AutoCAD desktop. This is more a review than anything new, since you should be pretty familiar with this at this point. So again, remember, the first thing we do is we go up here and we choose this downward arrow and we select Show Menu Bar. Once we have the Show Menu Bar, we can go into Tools, Toolbar, AutoCAD, and start adding our toolbars. So I'm first going to add the Draw toolbar, and it's going to pop in on the right-hand side. And once I have that, I'm going to actually use that toolbar to quickly add the other toolbars. Again, we can go into the Tools toolbar and use that to add additional toolbars, but this is a little bit of a quicker method. So if I just come over to this toolbar and right mouse click, it will bring up the other toolbars. So we can just add layers. We're going to add inquiry. We're going to add dimension. We're going to add modify. And we're going to add object snap. And that's it for adding all your toolbars. The final item that you want to do for setup is you want to go into your tools and then open up the drafting settings. And my drafting settings here came up onto my other computer screen. I have a dual monitor set up. So I'm going to pull it back over here so you can actually see it. And remember, we want to go into dynamic input and then make sure this enable dimension input where possible is turned off. So as you can see here, it is turned off on my computer, so we don't need to do anything. So I'm going to just hit OK. This is the end of the first video. It's very simple how you do your setup. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that on your laptop or your home PC, this information will be saved. So you won't have to do it again. But I made this video as a way to show you and just remind you, in case you need a little bit of a refresher, for how to go ahead and set up this information and set up your AutoCAD desktop.